Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A15 camera not focusing issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now after opening settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here click on camera, and after opening camera click on force stop and then click on OK to confirm, and after that click on storage. Now in storage, clear the app data and cache memory of camera app. Now here click on delete to confirm and then go back to settings. Now here click on camera settings. Now in camera settings, scroll down to the end and click on reset settings. Now here again click on reset to confirm.